Hello, HR professionals, and welcome to HR by Numbers. This week, we're going to be talking about Excel tables and why we think it's the best thing since sliced bread. So, if you're ready, let's get our Excel on. So, here is my Excel spreadsheet with some data in it. Now, if I wanted to turn this into a table, I would simply select the area that I want to turn into a table, click Insert, and click Table. A dialog box will pop up asking if I want to use my table headers as headers, and then I can click OK, and voila, I've got a table. It's that simple. If I wanted to customize it or change how it looks and feels, I can select the style that best suits my need. I've also got the ability to add in total rows or edit the filter buttons. But from here, I should be able to sort through and see what information I want to see just by a few clicks of a button. It's that straightforward. So now that we've created our table, I think it begs the question, why bother? Well, there's a number of different benefits. Now, we've already talked about the filtering and sorting function. It actually goes slightly further than if we had lots and lots and lots of rows of data and we were to scroll down, we'd still be able to see the column headers available to us. Now, this only works so long as we're clicked into the table. The second you click out, it will disappear. Also, it makes sure that we're able to use structured referencing. Now, that won't mean a lot to us just yet, but when it comes to formulas, well, that's super helpful. But to give you an idea of what that means, if I click Enter, i.e. I'm telling Excel to look at something, and I select this entire column, you'll see that it comes up with Table 2, which is the table name, and the column title. So it means that when I'm creating formulas, I know exactly which column I'm referring to, and that is really, really helpful. We will do more on formulas in later videos. The table also has dynamic ranges, so if I were to add in a new column here, start date for example, it will update and link it to the table, and the same goes for row. If I added a new row below, it will add it to the table and keep adding until I stop. As you can see, as we're adding more, it's formatting it and it's keeping it consistent so it looks professional and it's clean and clear to work with. And finally, it gives us enhanced data analytics. So we'll be able to utilize this in pivot tables and other data visualization tools, but we can also do things with the table itself, like we could insert a slicer, which is kind of a sort of filter of sorts. So if I click in a new slicer here by going to the Insert tab and then put in Status, voila, we have a new slicer. That means I can easily sort through areas that I'd need to look at for absent, working, or even blank records. Creating tables in Excel is as easy as pie and offers a ton of benefits for managing and analyzing data. Whether you're handling a small roster or a massive employee database, tables can make your work easier, faster, and more fun. So start using tables in Excel today and become a HR wizard in no time. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and hopefully for a bit of light-hearted watching.